Hey there! Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Today, I'll guide you through the super easy steps to purchase XRP on eToro. Let's get started. First up, create an eToro account. Head over to eToro's website and click the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, username, email, and a strong password. Then, hit Create Account. Make sure to verify your identity by uploading the necessary documents like your ID or passport. This step is crucial to keep your account secure. Next, you'll need to deposit funds. Log into your account and on the dashboard, click Deposit Funds. Choose your preferred payment method, be it credit card, bank transfer, or even PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. Easy, right? Now let's get to the exciting part, buying XRP. On the eToro dashboard, find the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in XRP and click on the XRP page. Once you're on the XRP page, you'll see the Trade button. Click it, enter the amount of XRP you want to buy, and set any additional parameters like stop loss or take profit if desired. Finally, click Open Trade, and voila! You've just purchased XRP. And that's it! From signing up to buying XRP, eToro makes it super simple for new investors. Remember, always do your research and invest wisely. Happy trading! Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials.